journey began a year ago when I told them that I wanted to get into LSE because that was my dream school and that is where I wanted to pursue my masters. A year later, I got into LSE and my journey has been exceptional and wonderful. Throughout the experience, I felt that it was a very personally curated experience, and throughout, we did things that would add value to my CV and also add value to the degree that I wanted to pursue. They helped me find a very unique voice in terms of how I wanted to express myself in my SOP. They helped me figure out LORs, they helped me figure out how to write the CV and do everything else. They were very kind, very considerate, and they took into consideration the engagements that I had, which were either work related or academics related. And I don't think I would want to change anything about my experience. So thank you.